Radio-controlled airplanes are miniature aircraft that you control from the ground. They are not just toys, but sophisticated machines capable of impressive maneuvers. Imagine piloting a plane through loops, rolls, and even upside-down flight, all from a safe distance on the ground. That's the thrill of RC flying. These miniature marvels come in all shapes and sizes, mimicking their real-life counterparts. From sleek jets to nimble biplanes, there's an RC plane for every aviation enthusiast. Whether you dream of soaring high above the clouds or performing daring aerobatics, the world of RC planes offers an exhilarating experience. The joy of RC flying isn't just about the adrenaline rush, it's also about the craftsmanship, the challenge, and the camaraderie. Building and fine-tuning your own plane, learning the intricacies of flight, and sharing your passion with fellow enthusiasts are all part of the rewarding RC experience. Let's delve into the world of RC planes, exploring their history, technology, and the sheer joy they bring to hobbyists of all ages. The story of RC planes begins in the early 20th century, not long after the Wright brothers' historic flight. Pioneers experimented with ways to control model airplanes remotely, first using tethered lines and later basic radio signals. One of the earliest successful attempts came in 1936 when Walter Good designed a radio-controlled system for model airplanes. This system, while rudimentary by today's standards, marked a significant step forward. It allowed for basic control of the aircraft's rudder and elevator, paving the way for future advancements. World War II saw further development of radio-controlled technology, primarily for military applications. After the war, these advancements trickled down to the hobbyist market, leading to the first commercially available RC airplanes in the 1950s. These early models were often simple in design, typically constructed from balsa wood and powered by internal combustion engines. Over the decades, RC technology has progressed in leaps and bounds. From those humble beginnings, we now have highly sophisticated RC planes constructed from durable materials like foam and carbon fiber. Modern electric motors and batteries have revolutionized the hobby, offering quieter, cleaner, and more efficient power sources. At the heart of every RC plane is a fascinating interplay of technology that allows it to soar through the air. Understanding these mechanics enhances the appreciation for these miniature flying machines. The pilot controls the plane using a transmitter which sends radio signals to a receiver on board the aircraft. This receiver is connected to servos, small, powerful motors that move the plane's control surfaces. These surfaces, namely the ailerons, elevator, and rudder, manipulate the airflow around the wings and tail, dictating the plane's movements. The ailerons, located on the trailing edge of the wings, control the plane's roll, allowing it to bank left or right. The elevator on the horizontal stabilizer controls the plane's pitch, enabling it to climb or descend. The rudder on the vertical stabilizer controls the yaw, allowing the plane to turn left or right. Powering all of this is a battery that provides the energy for the motor, receiver, and servos. The type and capacity of the battery influence the plane's flight time and power. Together, these components work in harmony to transform the pilot's commands into breathtaking aerial maneuvers. The world of RC planes offers a diverse range of models, each with its own unique characteristics and flight capabilities. Trainers, as the name suggests, are designed for beginners. They are typically stable, forgiving, and easy to control, making them ideal for learning the ropes. Sport planes offer a balance of stability and maneuverability, suitable for both intermediate and experienced pilots. They can perform a variety of aerobatic maneuvers while still being relatively easy to handle. Aerobatic planes are built for thrills, capable of extreme maneuvers like loops, rolls, and spins. They are designed for experienced pilots looking to push the boundaries of aerial acrobatics. Scale models are meticulously crafted replicas of real aircraft, often with incredible attention to detail. They appeal to enthusiasts who appreciate the realism and craftsmanship of these miniature marvels. Gliders, as their name implies, have no motors and rely solely on air currents for lift and propulsion. They offer a unique and challenging flying experience, requiring pilots to master the art of soaring. With such a wide variety of RC planes available, there's a perfect model out there for every aspiring pilot, regardless of their skill level or interests.